So hey guys, welcome to Motonex. Today I am going to do a walk around on the Tata Nexon facelifted version, and in this video I am going to share you with all the features and specs of the vehicle, and so stay tuned in this video, and so let's go. So guys, this here is a top variant named as XZ Plus option. It includes lot of features such as IRA technology, sunroof, cruise control, which I am going to tell you all in detail further. But first, let's see some standard and important details. Here we go. As you can see, the Nexon gets 5-star safety ratings from the Global NCAP and is one of the safest cars in India. The price of the vehicle starts from 6.95 lakh to 12.7 lakhs ex showroom, and I am going to feature the on-road prices at the end of the video. So stay tuned. Also, the leg, knee and headroom are more in this vehicle as it comes in the compact SUV segment. By the way, SUV stands for Sport Utility Vehicle. So guys, now let's get into the key features of it. This time, the Tata Nexon is fully based on the Tri-Arrow design theme. Also now, the Nexon has been implemented by the new Alpha platform by the Tata. Also, now the design elements have fully changed and it gets all new 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and the ground clearance is still continued by 209 mm. It also has a coupe inspired aerodynamic shape. Now it gets a fresh and a more bold look like new DRL's tri-arrow design. Also, now the interior feels more premium and now it gets flat bottom steering for more grip. Also now the most important change in the comfort line is that now it gets the express cool option which cools the cabin within 2 minutes, and the instrumental cluster is digital. It also gets 3-tone layered finish in the interior. Also now the Nexon gets an electric sunroof and cruise control this time. Now, in the performance sector, it gets BS6 emission compliant engines. It gets 1.2 liter turbocharged Revitron petrol engine which delivers 110 PS of power and 170 Newton meters of torque. It also gets a 1.5 liter turbocharged Revetroc diesel engine which delivers 110 PS of power and 260 Newton meters torque. It also gets ESP now. Now ESP stands for Electronic Stability Program, which controls the excessive wheel slip in slippery road conditions, and the electronic traction control provides you the most stable and confident drive. It also gets features like multi-drive modes, Eco, City and Sports, rollover mitigation, emergency brake assist. It also gets 6-speed AMT gearbox in variants like XMA, XZA Plus, XZA option. In the safety sector, the Nexon is very well done. It gets ABS, EBD, ESP as standard, and also dual front airbags and ISOFIX mount as standard. The Nexon is also made with high strength steel structure. It also gets IRA technology, which is also known as the connected cars technology. My next video is going to be on the IRA technology and the variant comparison of the Nexon. So stay tuned in this channel and subscribe so that you can't miss it out. Now let's talk about comfort. It gets rain sensing wipers, automatic headlamps, tire pressure monitoring system, express cool option, reverse camera assist with dynamic guideways, and also cool glove box. Also, the boot space is 350 liters, which is the best in the segment, and also gets rear 60/40 split seats for added convenience. The Nexon also gets 8 speaker system by Harman. There are 6 color options which are Tectonic Blue, Foliage Green, Calgary White, Flame Red, Pure Silver and Daytona Grey. Also here are some of the clips which I have recorded of the Tata Nexon. So this was all about the Tata Nexon facelifted version, guys. If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So let's see you in my next video. Bye.